Welcome to the Google Assistant Ride. Stein, let's be honest with ourselves here, okay? It's a joyful journey through life's twists and turns with everyone's favorite digital assistant. So let's begin the story. And like any good story, we begin with a cliche. Once upon a time in a land far, far away. More specifically, Peoria, Illinois. So that's like, what, 1,400 miles away, I guess? A father enjoys a few peaceful moments of blissful sleep. But his wife, who's about to head to the airport for a short business trip, comes in with something to say. Let's take a listen.
Honey, wake up. Wake up, I'm running off to the airport. Whatever you do, please don't forget the cake for Grandma's birthday tomorrow, okay? Thanks, sweetie. I'll see you tomorrow. And don't forget, love you.
And thus begins our epic tale of trials, tribulations, and seamless product demonstrations. Behold, as one brave father grapples with his children, the elements, and an urgent need for cake, equipped with nothing but the power of love and the world's most helpful apps and services. Enjoy the ride.
All right, folks, the next step will be through these doors. That's right, the ride hasn't even started yet.
Hey Google, play the Google Assistant ride.
Okay, playing the Google Assistant ride.
It's not even no matter how much you threaten, you're still gonna be late. Liz has toothpaste in her hair, Frank is more exercise. They shave the dog's hair and it's looking surprised. It's just another early morning in complete disarray. Now what you got on today? Hey Google, tell me about my day.
Good morning, Bob. It's 7:32 a.m. Right now in Peoria, it's 52 and cloudy with storms on the way. You have one reminder for today. Don't forget Grandma's birthday cake.
Oh, yeah, we're on it. You guys see that robot cat on skateboards? Hey Google, take me to the bakery.
Okay, starting navigation.
Traffic's slow, you're honking your show. The pain in your forehead starts popping out. And you've been here forever and forever and a day. And guess what, folks? We're not even halfway. Hey Google, send Jane my ETA.
Okay, message sent.
Thank you. There's a crack and a boom. Thunder and lightning. This journey for cake, man, it's getting quite frightening. But it is a little assistant. You know, it's real-time mapping. When there's something in your way, well, here's what you'll hear.
Slow down ahead. I've found a faster route.
Hey everybody, look, there's a camera. Smile, make it look like you're having the time of your life. Hey Google, pull up that email about the cake.
Here's what I found.
You found a place where they only speak French, non-parler anglais. You feel everything clench. Ah, for Pete's sake, how you gonna ask for it? Hey Google, be my French interpreter.
Je viens récupérer le verre.
Monsieur, monsieur, monsieur.